Hey guys, I'm replacing the sway bar end links on my 2006 Honda Pilot. These are the original Honda ones, and they are totally worn out. Not as bad as the front ones. My front ones were like super loose. Vehicle has just under 200,000 miles. You can see how loose that one is. They're not supposed to move at all with just your hand. And so these have been making a clicking sound on the back. And I'm going to replace them with, I've got some Beck Arnley end links in here. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. Looks pretty good. It's got the, let's see, I can't really tell if it's got the hex in there or not. The OE ones have a little hex in there, so you can put an Allen wrench tool in there to hold it while you're tightening them or loosening them. These appear to, well, they don't have a flat spot on this little bolt here, so I'm guessing they've got the hex in here also. Yeah, it looks like they've got the hex in there too. So these look pretty good. I'm going to put them on and hopefully that'll get rid of my clicking sound. So I'll put the link down below for where you can get the Beck Arnley end links, sway bar end links. So this is the left-hand passenger side. 101-5258. So I'll put a link down below so you'll know where to get these. These to me were the best quality at the best price. All right, thanks for looking.